This Superformance MKIII Cobra replica was assembled in 2004 and the odometer indicates 15,000 miles. Power comes from a fuel-injected Roush Performance 392 cubic inch V8 linked with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission and an 8.8-inch independent rear end with a limited slip differential and 373 gears. The Roush Performance 392 V8 utilizes an iron Sportsman block with 2-bolt mains and is equipped with a nodular iron crankshaft, Sportsman I-beam connecting rods, and cast hypereutectic pistons. Additional details include a double roller timing set, aluminum cylinder heads, MSD ignition components, an Edelbrock intake manifold, and MSD Atomic electronic fuel injection. Power is delivered to the rear wheels through a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission and an 8.8-inch independent rear end with limited slip differential and 373 gears. The fiberglass body is finished in titanium and features polished bumperettes, a hood scoop, fender vents, wind wings, a Talbot Berlin-style side mirror, a single roll hoop, a Le Mans-style fuel filler, a stainless steel side exit exhaust, a soft top, side windows, and a tonneau cover. The Hallebrand-style 15-inch wheels are secured with safety-wired 3-year knockoffs and are mounted with Cobra radial GT tires. Those tires measure 225/60 up front and 295/50 out back. The car is equipped with 4-wheel independent suspension with Cobra Valley ball joints, polyurethane sway bar bushings, and adjustable coilovers. Stopping power is provided by 4-wheel disc brakes. The low back bucket seats are trimmed in black vinyl upholstery and joined by a color-coordinated dashboard fascia, door panels, and carpeting. RJS racing equipment harnesses are in place for both occupants. Additional interior elements include an adjustable height rearview mirror, tinted sun visors, a lockable glove compartment, a 12-volt charging outlet, a fire extinguisher, and Superformance branded floor mats. The 3-spoke steering wheel sits ahead of Smith's instrumentation that consists of a reverse sweep 180-mile-per-hour speedometer, a tachometer, and gauges for oil pressure, coolant temperature, oil temperature, and fuel level. A Lucas amperage gauge is also installed. And VinceShield paint protection film has been applied to the front end and rear fenders. This 2005 Superformance MKIII Cobra is a genuinely exceptional representation of American muscle and craftsmanship. This striking car combines the classic design of the iconic Cobra with modern performance enhancements, making it a standout in any collection. Whether you're a collector or simply seeking an extraordinary performance vehicle, this Roush 392-powered Superformance MKIII is a remarkable choice. It combines historical significance with modern engineering, making it perfect for both show and go. Don't miss the chance to own this incredible machine. Contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790. That's 215-781-3790. Or email sales@lrasales.com to learn more about this incredible Superformance MKIII.